Hello guys, how are you? So this is the English class for 11th grade BTP Computing and Finances. So welcome. Please remember to wear a mask and wash your hands. Do it at every moment. It is very important. And today we're going to study Simple Present Part 2, and the objective is ask and answer about activities done in Simple Present. We're going to review this content from last week. Vamos a repasar contenido de la semana pasada. We need some verbs here to complete the sentences. Do you remember? Amanda, what is the correct word to use here? In Houston, Texas? Amanda lives in Houston, Texas. Amanda vive en Houston. Ok, si se acuerdan, dijimos que agregamos una S o hay veces que es al verbo cuando hablamos en presente simple de los pronombres he, she, and it. Amanda lives in Houston, Texas. Next, we like to read books. Nos gusta leer libros. I, to the museum sometimes. What is the correct verb, do you think? I go to the museum sometimes. He, what is the verb? He plays soccer very well. Next, si se fijan aquí, igual que en lives, le agregamos s porque habla de he. Freddy writes beautiful poems, same as here. Freddy escribe hermosos poemas. Alright, this is content from last week too. Este es contenido de la semana pasada también, si se acuerdan. Decíamos que generalmente agregamos una S al verbo cuando hablamos de he, she, it, de lo que estábamos diciendo. So we have here the verb to play. So we say, I play, you play, he plays, she plays. She plays, it plays. We play, you play, they play. Siempre que hablamos de he, she, and it, agregamos s. We add an s to the verb. Here we have the verb to eat, so we say I eat, you eat, he eats, she eats, it eats, we eat, you eat, they eat. And with the verb to live, I live, you live, he lives, she lives, it lives, we live, you live, they live, alright? Let's continue. So this is from last week too. Este es de la semana pasada también. Si tienen buena memoria se van a acordar. Es apenas un par de días que ha pasado. So here we have the verbs and we're going to use the verb to complete the sentences. Si nos fijamos, en la primera parte de la oración usamos los pronombres I, you, they, we. Y en la segunda parte usamos los pronombres he, she, it porque es donde quiero que usen el as to the verb. So with the verb to drink we say I drink coffee and she drinks tea. Alright? I drink coffee and she drinks tea. Yo bebo café y ella bebe té. Good. With the verb to go, they go to the beach and he goes to the museum. La semana pasada estudiamos eso, que al verbo go no es simplemente una S que le agregamos, sino que le agregamos es, igual que al verbo watch. We say watches. Go, goes. Watch, watches. Wash, washes. Now here with the verb to eat, we say we eat fruit and Emma eats pizza. With the verb to have, I have a bike and Mark has a car. En este caso, si se fijan, pierde las últimas dos letras, pero le ponemos s. Okay, have, has. Now with the verb to live, they live in New Jersey and he lives in New York. We watch sports and she watches movies. No sé si van a ver por ahí por la cámara, pero decimos watches. En este caso agregamos yeah. So let's repeat. Drink, drinks. Go, goes. It, eats, have, has, live, lives, watch, watches. Next. Here we're going to make negative sentences. We're going to study the negative form of simple present. And we use done and doesn't. Para la forma negativa de simple present usamos don't y doesn't. Alright? ¿Cuándo usamos don't? Con los pronombres I, you, we, and they. ¿Cuándo doesn't? Con los pronombres he, she, it. Alright? So we say I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't, and he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Alright? Entonces, don't and doesn't es como decir no. Eso es para las oraciones negativas. This is for the negative sentences. And drink. I don't drink alcohol. Yo no bebo alcohol. ¿Ven qué fácil es formar las oraciones negativas en simple present? You don't drink alcohol. We don't drink alcohol. They don't drink alcohol. Ellos no beben alcohol. Igual para los pronombres he, she, it, doesn't. He doesn't drink alcohol. Él no bebe alcohol. She doesn't drink alcohol. It doesn't drink alcohol. All right? So for the negative form, we use don't and doesn't. Remember that, please. Let's make affirmative and negative sentences here. Affirmative and negatives, all right? I don't eat hamburgers. I eat vegetables. Yo no como hamburguesas, como verduras. Pablo doesn't watch sports. He watches news. Next. The guys don't play tennis. They play soccer. Rose doesn't drink whiskey. She drinks wine. All right? So we have negative sentences and affirmative. Don't eat, doesn't watch, don't play, doesn't drink. Está fácil, ¿verdad? Piece of cake. Fácil. Now for the interrogative form, para las preguntas, para hacer preguntas, ojo jóvenes, necesitamos un auxiliary verb. En este caso sería do. Cuando hablamos de I, you, we, they, usamos el verbo auxiliar do I, do you, do we, do they. And does for the pronouns he, she, and it. Does he, does she, does it. Alright? Aquí tenemos la estructura de cómo preguntar en simple present. Do you have a calculator? Si yo le hago esta pregunta a usted, do you have a calculator? ¿Qué le estoy preguntando? ¿Tienes tú una calculadora? Do you have a calculator? Do you have a bike? Do you have a book? Do you have a car? Do you have a notebook? All right. Do you, do we, do they. El verbo pues no cambia, va normal. Para cuando hacemos preguntas va normal. All right. Does he have a calculator? ¿Tiene él una calculadora? Does she have a calculator? ¿Tiene ella una calculadora? All right. Siempre hacemos la pregunta usando signo de interrogación. We need a question mark here. Entonces, esta es la estructura para hacer las preguntas. This is the structure for the interrogative form. All right. Let's continue. Aquí nomás podemos, miren, responder. Do you have a calculator? Si yo le pregunto a usted, do you have a calculator? Y usted tiene, va a decir, yes, I do. Pero si no, no, I don't. Do you like to dance? Miren que aquí vamos a hacer preguntas y las vamos a responder. Do you like to dance? ¿Te gusta bailar? Yes, I do. Does Martha go to church? Does Martha go to church? ¿Va Marta a la iglesia? Bueno, en la parte de arriba vamos a hacer las dos respuestas, affirmative and negative, para que vayamos aprendiendo de un solo. So, let's repeat. Do you like to dance? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Sí, me gusta, o no, no me gustan. No, I don't. Next question. Does Martha go to church? ¿Va Marta a la iglesia? Yes, she does. Or if it is negative, no, she doesn't. Does Omar live in Los Angeles? ¿Vive Omar en Los Ángeles? Yes, he does. Or if it is negative, no, he doesn't. Oh, aquí era no, ¿verdad? No, yes. Sorry. Sorry very much. Next. Do you speak English? Si yo le hago esa pregunta, ¿usted cómo va a responder? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Does Tony have a computer? Yes, he does. Do the girls read magazines every day? ¿Leen revista las chicas todos los días? Do the girls read magazines every day? Yes, they do. Does grandma drink coffee? ¿Bebe café la abuela? Yes, she does. Very good. Next. Does Amanda write poems? No, she doesn't. Does Miguel play basketball? No, he doesn't. Do you watch romantic movies? Do you watch romantic movies? No, I don't. Do you work every day? ¿Trabajas todos los días? Do you work every day? Yes, I do. So, ¿vieron qué fácil es hacer preguntas y responderlas? It is very easy to make questions and answer them. So, thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.